Picture Windows Installation in Houston, Texas offers a perfect blend of functionality and aesthetics for both residential and commercial properties. Our custom Picture Windows Houston are designed to enhance the beauty of your home while providing energy-efficient solutions. With a focus on modern window styles, we ensure that each installation meets the highest standards of quality and design. Energy-efficient windows in Houston are essential for reducing energy costs and improving comfort. Our window replacement services provide top-notch residential window solutions that cater to the unique needs of Houston homeowners. By choosing double-pane windows, you can enjoy superior insulation and noise reduction, making your home more energy-efficient and peaceful. For businesses seeking commercial window installation in Houston, our team of experts offers comprehensive services tailored to your specific requirements. From window design consultation to picture window replacement, we provide a full range of services to ensure your commercial property stands out. Our window frame options and insulated glass windows are designed to meet the demands of modern architecture. Large picture windows Houston are a popular choice for those looking to make a statement with their home or office design. Our modern window styles in Houston offer a variety of options to suit any aesthetic preference. With window glazing services and picture window upgrades, we ensure that your windows not only look great but also perform exceptionally well. Window maintenance services in Houston are crucial for preserving the longevity and performance of your windows. Our affordable picture windows and window sealing solutions help maintain the integrity of your windows, preventing drafts and leaks. Picture window customization allows you to create a unique look that reflects your personal style. Our window installation experts in Houston are dedicated to providing the highest level of service and craftsmanship. With a focus on picture window dimensions and energy ratings, we ensure that each installation is tailored to your specific needs. Our window installation warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that your investment is protected. Picture window aesthetics play a significant role in the overall appeal of your home or business. Our team stays up to date with the latest picture window trends in Houston, offering innovative solutions that enhance the beauty and functionality of your space. Whether you're looking for custom windows in Houston or energy-efficient windows, we have the expertise to deliver exceptional results. Houston Picture Window experts are here to guide you through every step of the process, from initial consultation to final installation. Our custom Picture Windows Houston are designed to meet the highest standards of quality and performance. With a focus on energy-efficient windows Houston, we help you achieve a more sustainable and comfortable living environment. For those interested in Houston window replacement, our residential Windows Houston services provide a seamless experience. We offer a wide range of options, including commercial Windows Houston and double-pane Windows Houston, to suit any project. Our window design Houston services ensure that your windows are both functional and visually appealing. Picture window replacement Houston is essential for maintaining the performance and appearance of your windows. Our Houston window frame options and insulated glass Houston solutions provide the durability and efficiency you need. Large Windows Houston and modern Windows Houston are designed to enhance the beauty and functionality of your space.